In an experiment, the number of mold spores can be modeled using a geometric sequence. Very interesting. Where the first day of the experiment is day 1. If the population on day 6 of the experiment is 6,000 and the population is 20,000 on day 10, find the mold spore population on day 8. So what we're going to do, since this is a calculator problem, is we're going to use exponential regression. And once we find exponential regression, we should be able to take that equation and plug in 8 to find our total population. So let's step to the side and do that. All right, so for this guy, we are going to do exponential regression. Start out by hitting Stat, go to Edit, and we're going to type in the two data points that we have, 6 and 6,000. So let's do 6, move to the right, 6,000. And then we're going to do day 10. So they typed it out, worded it out, whatever you want to say, backwards. So just be careful. We're doing exponential regression, and I'm going to use this equation to plug in 8. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Stat. I'm going to go down to 0, which I believe is exponential regression. There it is. But I want to use this equation again. So this is what I'm going to do. I don't really care what the equation is. I just want to use it. So as I hit enter, wherever it stores regression equation, that's what that means. We're going to go to vars. We're going to go to y vars function y sub 1. Now, yeah, this gives us our equation, but look how gross it is. Wouldn't it be nice if we could just take that and somehow plug in 8? Well, we can because there it is. By doing that vars thing, it plugs in our equation right there. And in order to find 8, maybe we could just go to our table by hitting second graph and going down to 8 and finding out that there's our number right there. So the answer is B in this case. All right, so since I got the number 10954 point blah, 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 let's round that down to 10954, and then B is going to be our answer. So exponential regression, geometric sequence, same thing on a calculator.